Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Azira Khor Najwa and I'm from English Education 2024. Here I want to read about an investigation into a link between classroom environment and EFL student teachers academic achievement. Abstract. The aim of the present study was to investigate the relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement of English education study program students of State Islam University of Raden Patah Palembang by conducting correlation research. 366 students of English majors of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took part in the study as the sample. By using convenience sampling, the data of this study were collected by administering a questionnaire of college and university classroom environment inventory to access classroom environment of the student, and the student's cumulative GPA was also used to get the student's academic achievement score. Pearson product moment and regression analysis were used to analyze the data. From analysis, it was found out that the R was 0, 160, 96, and it was higher than R table, and the level of probability significant was 0. It means that each was rejected and each one was accepted. This result showed that there was a significant. Additionally, the regression analysis showed that classroom environment contribute only 88% to students' academic achievement. Introduction. In this globalization era, the students in every institution are trying to be academically successful. Mukminin, Camille Buck-Roman, and Russell considered that academic success is directly linked to the successful outcomes and value for youth in society. Furthermore, Mustaq and Khan, Lucy, and Sanchez Escobedo and Hollingsworth argue that the social and economic development of the country is directly linked between students' academic performance. Performance is how well or badly some things is done. In educational parlance, performance is indicated through academic achievement. Haken defines academic achievement as the level of actual accomplishment or proficiency on has achievement in an academic area as opposed to one's potential. Therefore, the quality of the student experience during college is shown by one's academic achievement. Academic achievement is important for students to prepare them for future career and allow students to enter a competitive field. It also plays an important role in producing the best quality graduate who will become great leader and manpower for the country, thus responsible for country economic and social development. Moreover, academic achievement serves a key criterion in order to judge students' true potential and capabilities, which can help students in all areas of their lives. Teaching is guiding and facilitating learning, enable the learner to learn, setting the condition for learning. Mukminin, Rohayati Putra Habibi, and Aina. In the teaching and learning process, it can be seen that there is a difference in students' achievement. This is caused by different factors that affect the academic achievement of students. One of the factors that affect students' academic achievement is classroom environment. The classroom is a basic structural unit of our educational system. It is a miniature community in which member interests influence the behavior of others. Vygotsky stated that classroom environment is the culture that can be the place to study and learn about knowledge. Classroom environment is an embodiment of psychosocial condition. According to Carpenter, physical environment is made up of chair, desks, tables, lighting, ventilation, space, acoustic and institutional materials, while psychosocial psychosocial environment refers to the feeling, a type of classroom that has to do with interaction in the classroom. Classroom environment plays an important part of students' educational success. Based on Vygotsky's theory of social development, students' learning development can be determined by the classroom environment because students spend their time to learn mostly in the classroom, although learning can take place in other venues. Moreover, Yan said that for foreign language learners, classroom is the main place where they are frequently exposed to the target language, therefore creating a conducive learning environment by providing sufficient classroom environment physically and social physically are very important. Physical environment is not only the main problem that causes poor achievement but also interaction in classroom. As stated by William, classroom environment is a dynamic system where students interact each other. It is the place where the interaction between student or between student and instructor occur most frequently. According to Dewey, the poor student relationship may lead to poor achievement, while good student-teacher relation may lead to better achievement. Moreover, Buchholz and Seifler revealed that a warm interaction in classroom environment can lead to increased academic achievement and a sense of pride and belonging in a college. Preliminary preliminary study was conducted by interviewing students of English Education Study Program of State Islamic University of Radhan Kata Palembang. It revealed that some students enjoy studying because they felt that classroom was already well structured, clean enough, conductive lighting, and comfortable eye temperature. However, the problem started when the electricity stopped working. The classroom was hot and dark, and this bothered the student, especially those who sit on the back. In such situation, the student started to feel sleepy and made some of them lose their focus to fully grasp the lecture. Students also said that they was dissatisfied with their academic achievement because the class sometimes seems boring and they did not participate in the class as well. This kind of interaction within the class influenced their feelings. Literature review, classroom environment and academic achievement. Classroom environment is the place in which teaching and learning process occurs. Akub defines the classroom as a base for all type of activities. It holds students together and offers them opportunities of achieving the purpose of education. A greater part of educational activities of any school or college occur in this room. Hannah also described that classroom is where the student develops what they want their future to look like, as well as knowledge of the skills they need to reach that goal. The classroom environment also defines in terms of the students and teachers' perception in the environment. In addition, the classroom is a place for interaction among teachers, material, and students in order to create students' behavior. However, classroom environment has influence and the teaching and learning process. Abrar Mukmin Habibi Sharif Makmur Amarzulina, state that classroom environment and negative comment from teacher and peers many hinder the learners from activities engaging and eventuality make it difficult to speak. Students' academic archive refers to the grades obtained by students upon accomplishing the courses in the end of their study of an instruction environment, especially in school, college, and university. Hiscan defines academic achievement as the level of actual accomplishment or proficiency one has achievement in academic area as opposite to one's potential. There was two kinds of academic achievement: GPA, which is students' academic achievement in each semester that students achieve at the end of their college, and cumulative GPA, which is obtained by having scores of each subject from the whole semester that they already take. The relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement. The role classroom environment in influencing academic outcomes has been shown by many research in recent years. The psychosocial environment in the classroom can significantly predict academic achievement. Recent research and retention rate of university students has contributed evidence for the positive relationship between the perception of classroom environment and academic achievement. Fraser asserts that the classroom environment is such a potent determinant of student outcomes that it should not be ignored because students will perform better and have more positive attitude in learning when they perceive classroom environment. It's as reported by Gazelle that a positive classroom learning environment is closely related to student unchanged academic achievement. Therefore, it can be said that student perception of classroom environment will affect student academic achievement because the students who have the positive perception of their classroom environment will have a high interest with the lesson and it may increase their grades. Methodology research, research design. In the study, correlation research method was used to find out the correlation between variables and interrupt the result that may appear. This method was used to find out the correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement of students of English education study program at State Islam University of Student Raden Fata Palembang. Croswell states that correlation design is procedure in quantitative research in which investigators measure the degree of association relationship between two or more variables using the statistical procedure of correlation analysis. Furthermore, frequently Whelan and Huhn states that correlation studies investigated the possibility of relationship between only two variable outlook investigation of more than two variable or common. The procedure where college and university classroom inventory questionnaire from Traeger, Fresh, and Dennis was given to no students' classroom environment. 2. The students' academic achievement was obtained by their cumulative GPA. 3. SPSS 16 was used in order to find out the correlation between the variable based on the result of questionnaire and cumulative GPA. And 4. The explanation and interruption of the result were then successive. Research site sampling and participant. The population of the study was all the students of English Education Study Program, State Islamic University of Raden Patah Palembang in academic years 2016 to 2017, which consisted of 516 students, then 366 students of English Education Study Program of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took part in the study as the sample by using covariance sampling. Data collection. Before collection the data, The two instruments in the study were checked for the vali- validity and reliability. Questionnaire was a ready-made question and was already validated by Traeger, Fraser, and Dennis. The questionnaire consists 49 Likert type items, positive and negative statement, and consists of four likely scale ranging from 1 strongly disagree to 5 strongly agree and 5 strongly disagree to 1 strongly agree. And Cronbach alpha of 70 to 90 was obtained. It can be concluded the UCAI was valid and reliable. Besides, documentation is an objective and reliable measure students' academic achievement. Documentation validability was not checked because it has been validated and reliable. To sum up, all the data were able to be used for its correlation and regression analysis. Data analysis. Before analysis, the data obtained normally and linear test was conducted. If it means the data are not normal, Kolmogorov-Smirnov was used to see the normality. The result of normality indicated that the data from each variable were all normal and appropriate for data analysis with coefficients 192 for classroom environment and 58 for appropriate for for academic achievement. For linear tests, division of linearity was obtained if probably is higher than 5. The two variables are linear. The results show that the definition from linearity between classroom environment and academic achievement was 343 or higher than 5, which the result was linear. Finding and discussion. In the study, two kinds of instruments were used, questionnaire and documentation. First, from the college and university classroom environment, inventory questionnaire. Result of students' classroom environment show that the maximum score was 200 220 and the lowest score was 103. The means of classroom environment scores for participants was 171 and standard deviation was 18. This means scores indicated that the level of classroom environment of English education study program students of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang was in average level. The description statistical analysis of classroom environment for participants is shown in table 1 below. Is seconds after the documentation of students' academic achievement was obtained, the descriptive statistic showed that a higher cumulative GPA was 4 and the lowest was 1. The mean of academic achievement for the participant and the standard deviation is the distribution of the result of students' cumulative GPA can be seen in the table 3 below. After collection the result of students' academic achievement, I then categorize the students by on their cumulative GPA score. The results show 3 students were in summa cum laude category, 152 students were in cum laude category, 175 students were in very good category, 12 students were in good category, and 3 students were in enough category. From the data, it can be concluded that most of student academic achievement is above very good category. The distribution of the students' academic achievement is present in the following table. Based on person's product moment correlation coefficient, the result indicated that there was correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement. The correlation confused or the error R obtained was higher than R table. Then the level of probability significantly was 0. It meant that P was lower than 5. It can be included that alternative hypothesis is accepted, that null hypothesis is rejected. In other words, that was a positive correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement. Based on interview coefficient by Cohen, Manion, and Marison, the correlation confused or R obtained indicated that the level of correlation between variable is high correlations. The result indicated that classroom environment influenced student academic achievement with t-value which was higher than t-table. Insight value was lower than probability. From the data above, it can be concluded that classroom environment significantly influenced that academic achievement of English education study program students of States Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. In addition, to know the percentage of classroom environment influence and academic achievement R square of was obtained the results of the analysis revealed that R square. It meant that classroom environment give effect that level 8% toward academic achievement. The presence of influence can be seen from table 7 below. In order to change that value of the study, the interruptions were made based on the results of data analysis. According to finding, there was a positive and significant correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement, and also influence of classroom environment toward academic achievement of English education study program students of States Islamic University of Raden Patah Palembang. In addition, the result of person product moment correlation showed that there was a positive correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement students of English education study program of States Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. This meant that classroom environment had slight relation to their academic achievement. Though it was slight correlation in classroom environment can give impact towards student academic achievement. It is in line with researchers who state that the quality of classroom environment is significant determinant on relationship between academic achievement and classroom environment among adolescents of schools of Ludina district. In addition, a study conducted by Akomolev and Adusu showed that there was a significant relationship between classroom environment and the academic performance. Conclusion. From the finding and interruptions in discussed above, some conclusion could be present. First, the correlation coefficient or the R obtained was higher than R able. It meant that the result indicated that there was a positive significant relations between classroom environment and academic achievement. Second, findings revealed that there was a slight influence of classroom environment toward academic achievement of English education study program students of States Islamic University of Raden Patah Palembang. It was shown that classroom environment give only 8% contribute to their academic performance. So it can be inferred that the lower classroom environment as perceived by the students, the lower their academic achievement will be. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.